We have seen few cases where the Tesla Cybertruck met with minor accidents, but nothing really happened to the truck due to the steel body. The steel body is so rigid that it doesn't absorb the impact, which is in a way is a big safety concern for the pedestrians. An owner was parking his truck adjacent to the fence. He got a little too close, and then one of the panels got caught in the wood, and the panel was bent. If this were a person, that could do some serious damage and they'd be pretty messed up. The owner tried to bend that panel back with hands and pliers, but it's impossible. Another owner hit a deer at 75 miles per hour on the highway, and as you could see, nothing really happened to the truck. His wife was sitting in the passenger seat and she didn't even know what happened. The panels really held up pretty well. A Cybertruck crashed with a Lexus on an intersection, and this is what the damage on the truck, while the Lexus suffered heavy impact on the passenger side. Luckily, we have not seen a scenario where a pedestrian was hit by the truck yet.